Good afternoon, welcome to Draining Mathematics. There's a simple question here involving angles. We want to take a look at it together. In the diagram, PQU equals 36 degrees, QRT equals 29 degrees, PQ is parallel to RS, and UQ is parallel to RT. So we want to find angle PQR. Let's identify the diagrams given from the statement. Angle PQU is 36. PQU is 36. Let's put the angle there. This is the angle. Angle QRT. QRT is 29 degrees. This is our angle. Q29 degrees. We are asked to find angle PQR. PQR. Where is that angle? This is the bigger angle we are asked to find. Let's look at the solution here. Now let's consider line UQ and then line RT. From the question, they are parallel. So you can take this diagram here. So UQRT. And here has been given as 29 degrees. The angle here and the angle here are very much related. Looking at this diagram here, it's a Z-shaped diagram. A Z-shaped diagram. Whenever we have a parallel lines and then we are getting a Z-shape from those parallel lines to the transversal line, an angle is created known as the alternate angle. The angle here is angle UQR. We are saying this angle is equal to angle QRT. The reason is that they are alternate angles. They are equal. Always take note. Alternate angles are always equal. So we can say that angle UQR is equal to 29 degrees. Now from the larger diagram, we are finding PQR, which is a combination of here. You have identified this small region as 36. Here is given as 36 degrees. You have identified this as 29 degrees. Now to find angle PQR, just put together this angle here and this angle here to find the value of angle PQR. So we are saying that angle PQR is made up of angle PQU plus angle UQR. Where is PQU? PQU, the angle 36, and then UQR, the angle here, which we have identified as 29 degrees. Now from here, putting the two together, I have 36 degrees plus 29 degrees. We are arriving at 65 degrees. I hope we all got this very clear. Thank you. And I see you with another question. Goodbye.